G'day, VW here, and how you doing? Today's video is about the oil leaks in the turbo roadster, and it was a leak that we couldn't find because the oil was actually running down out of the pipe and then down the heat protection sheath, which is around the pipe, which then masked the leak. So, a bit of oil has been left. You can see a bit of an oil leak going all the way and up into the garage. This is where it was sitting, and it's basically dumped its oil. So there's a massive oil leak. Alright, so this car's been leaking and leaking oil, and we're not sure where because it leaks a lot of oil, but when you look underneath, there's no clear signs. So we weren't sure if it was coming from the oil filter over there or where it was. The last resort was actually to start the car and run it. And what's actually happening is that oil line down there is touching the exhaust. But because of these heat protection covers, we couldn't actually see that that's the leak until you actually run it, wait for it to build pressure, and then you could actually see the oil coming out there. But whenever you turned it off, it was lying against the exhaust like that, and that's why it was so difficult to see the leak without the engine running. So what I'm going to do is change out this hose, and that should solve our leak. We'll also tie these hoses back so that they're not up against the exhaust. Alright, so we're just undoing at the bottom here.
On.
Pull, yes.
Oh,
excellent.
Yeah, I can see you.
I can see it. You're on it.
You undoing it?
I don't know because my hand's blocking what I can see.
I'll turn on your flashlight. There you go. I'll lean on it and you pull up. Pull. It's coming. Well, you're just pulling the shielding off.
And the whole pipe was turning.
No, just the shielding's turning. Pulling the shielding off.
Right, so we got the pipe off. So I suppose I don't know if we're going to get this heat shielding off. But effectively,
That's it there.
that's the damage, so that's where it's pumping oil out all over the floor. Alright, so if we replace this pipe, we're good to go. Alright, so we found another piece of hose. And cut it,
Right about the same level.
yeah, a little bit longer. So we're going to put the heat protection on this one. And
Scrap that one.
well, you might find the rest of it's okay. What we could actually do
Cut it down and use it.
but then use it. So we're just going to put our heat protection, a little bit of that. So that was at the bottom. If we put that now at the top, it'll give us fresh on that side. So we're just going to put that around. So as you pull this, you see it tightens on the pipe. So the trick to this stuff is actually doing that. So you compress it to give you the volume. So don't try and pull it on, you always push it on.
Okay.
So as you push,
This seems to be working.
now if I pull here, I'm going to compress it on the pipe, so I don't want to do that. So you just try and keep pushing on like that.
Yes,
And
yes.
then hopefully it'll feed. Push a bit, grab it, and let it feed. Push a bit, grab it, let it feed. Because as soon as you pull it, it tightens down in the pipe.
That's getting there. It's right there.
Just going to open that a bit. Push that. Then you can see, look, straight away, as I pushed it, it opened up. Grab it,
Yeah.
feed it.
Through.
Again, I'm going to push it. Feed it. And now,
There we go, look at that.
there you go. That's what feeding braid is on, all about. So we'll just move it through to the middle and then we'll be done. So that's our repaired bit of hose. That's our damage over there. So I'm going to put that damage towards the filter,
Yeah.
and this side is going to be the side back onto the pump.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll start by putting the clamp on. I'm not sure which way.
I'll tighten it a bit first.
Might be easier that way.
Yes.
No, yeah. Okay. And we're going to put it on so that that's away. So let's feed all the way bend. Let's get that over.
Okay, there you go. Is it on? Looks like it.
How does it look? It's gone right down. Let me get underneath it. I'll open it.
Where's the LED torch?
Okay.
Yes,
it's gone right down.
It's right on it.
Okay, so if I can.
And the people see? Yes, they can.
What? Let me see if I can get a socket on it. So it's a bit easier than that. Alright, so put it on from this side, and I'm just tightening up. The clamp, so it's tight, that's back on the oil filter. So here's the pipe. Let's just move that out the way. So here's our burnt braid, which is now. So that pipe needs to go out.
Onto that brass fitting. All the people at home should be able to see it.
Can you see that?
Right,
So I'll put that, you can see here's our
right there.
braid
Right,
damage.
that's the torch.
So if I go down underneath, the hose clamp on. Can you see what I'm doing? Well, not really.
Yeah, I can see. I got quite a good angle.
Okay, can you push that hose down?
Down.
Down towards me, the whole thing, yeah? Push, push, push.
Is that good?
Needs to come down a bit more, just so that it goes on. Right,
Is it on?
starting to. Okay, do you want to video from down here or not?
Okay.
Well, too late.
Oh, you got it on?
I've got it right on.
Oh, yeah.
We just work the clamp on there to that
Yeah.
the oil pump. pulls away with a bit of rubber on each side.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll keep going.
We're finally gonna have a running car.
Well, we finally found the oil leak.
Yes. Thank God.
So we'll just use the cable ties to pull the hoses away from the exhaust so that it shouldn't happen again. And now we're going to top the oil up again with our Pen motor oil, synthetic, partially synthetic. So let's do that.
This is like proper racing oil.
Is it?
Is it not?
It's high in zinc.
Yes, but you're using it on a monster car.
Yeah, so it limits your wear. It's the extra zinc in the oil.
Protects your walls.
No, yeah, it just protects the wear on the parts. Let's just pop that in. And we'll give it a go. All right. Thanks again for watching. Take care and God bless. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave me any comments.